So I auditioned in July. They called me in around September. So watching on July, August, 2 months.
Yeah.
You meet the director. Say me. You can't just call me out of blue after 2 months to meet the director. My audition, me not hear about nothing. You meet the director. Say me, the director there AC Hotel for me, must say yesterday. I say, but nobody no call me. They say, we were calling you. I say, we not get no call. No email, no me check every means of communication. I mean, not get no call, no text.
What caused that?
I mean,
Oh, the bad mind.
Say bad, no, me know if a bad mind or bad luck was I don't know what happened.
Or bad connection or something. Something bad.
Why has me forget my big boss? So here the drama now. After that happened, them tell the director, say, yeah man, I'm available. Cause, you know what I mean? I meet them want to play Bucky Marshall. I never know say me them want, you know. So the Tuesday them say, all right, it was like the week before, and the Tuesday them say, here what happened? Them are gonna call you. And you and them are gonna talk. Tuesday come, me not get the call.
Again?
Me call back the person. Say Nadine, them a call me, you know, Nadine said, no worry, hey, Brooke, she call them back. Link back Karim. Karim said them a fly guy England, go do audition for Jamaican, British Jamaican. Say me never go England, because they I know, but two them never get to meet me. Cut. Jesus Christ, what's up? What me do so? So, them say no worry yourself, Friday we're gonna have a Zoom meeting. So, me clear my schedule Friday, and then I'm yard.
Zoom?
Yeah. What? I'm ready. She say, see link there, not a link.
How really are going?
Me say me don't know if I hope ya, but if I hope ya, don't tell me. Not a link. So me G, me want ball. Cause to me yesterday them go and look and them never get to meet me. So them say, then we get back to me.
No, man, I like that. See here, that's something get back to me.
No. It's like, don't call us, we'll call you.
Me get that all long, I'll know them not get back front side to me.
And that was in September. I remember July the audition, August, September. September.
Because them shoot two parts, them shoot out here in England.
Yeah. So me know you know me G. You see in October, Nadine called me about the middle of October. Wow, go and Bucky Marshall. What say me? Bucky Marshall. Me not get the role. So my year, me say people them not call me. She say I hear a role. I know them one, they know why they get the role. Cause apparently everybody had to meet with the director and they might boil it down for square off with maybe 2 persons to get the role as who I best. Nobody not to me look like him. Nobody them just like him. Me no meet the director until me go to England.